Alright, so this one's a little different than lawnmowers, but this is a fire pit that I made out of an old washing tub drum, and it was quite simple. So it came with a set of legs underneath it here, and I modified it only slightly. Initially there were like 3 posts sticking out on those, and we cut those off and then kind of lowered it down and made it a little more stable. And then when we started using it for the first time, there's a post you can't see right in the middle there, and it had an aluminum ring around it, and that actually melted. The aluminum melted. It got so hot, and then the big drum got disconnected from its base, so I welded that together. But overall, it's been an incredible fire pit. It's got this like enamel coating on it that has not come off. It's not flaked. We've had some really hot fires, as you can see. It burns really well. It's really cool because if you get it going really, really hot, it seems like oxygen is the limitation, and so it's almost like a charcoal grill where the oxygen limits how fast it can burn. You end up with this really clean burning and just exceptional fire. So I don't know if that's actually true. It seems like if oxygen was limited, it would smoke a lot, and it doesn't smoke at all. I mean, as you can see, there's just nothing. So pretty cool idea. If you can find one, I actually got this from a friend. I did not disassemble it myself. So if you can find one that has this enamel coating and is metal, go for it. It is certainly cheaper than the super expensive stainless steel ones you buy at REI or online.